Error code 71 for Noritz model n-069m, unit shuts down and there is no hot water, turning on/off switch only works when error Y shown.
My name is. I look forward to helping you. I am a Noritz factory trained and certified repair technician. Are you hooked up to a generator or battery backup?
No.
Error code 71 is a variation in voltage. Turn off the circuit breaker that serves the unit. Leave it off for 3 to 5 minutes, then turn it back on and run hot water and see if it works.
I got it to work both times. The unit went off by turning off the power and then on again. It worked the first time 2 days ago, but this morning I tried it several times without a restart. Then the fourth time out the off/on issue finally resolved itself. Do we need a service call to fix this issue from happening again?
Yes. I would actually have an electrician look at it first. Make sure that circuit is stable.
No thanks on the phone call, I can type just fine.
The phone request is annoying and automatically sent. I'd rather not as well.
Okay, we'll check with electrician to ensure stability of circuit.
Good choice.
Okay, I am finished.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.